since you've joined Drag Race Philippines and then the Asian Royal, grabe na ang mga racket, ang mga ganap. How does it feel na iba yung success mo ngayon, Ari?
I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful kasi parang lahat ng success na to would not have happened if not for the people who supported me throughout my journey. So sobrang thankful ako sa mga lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa akin kasi hindi ako mabibigyan ng mga magagandang projects if not for your love and support.
And speaking of success, grabe yung hit mo. Grabe, anong pakiramdam na is all over the internet, ang daming sumasayaw, ang daming nakikitrend.
Alam mo, nung ginawa ko yung song, in-expect ko na magiging pasabog siya like viral. Pero hindi ko siya in-expect na magiging sobrang mainstream.
Correct,
Yung
correct.
to the point na parang naririnig ko siya sa kapitbahay namin. And sobrang, hindi ko pa rin siya ma-imagine na ganun siya kalaki. And I'm so excited I'm so excited to explore more about the music. I like to create more music. And sobrang na-inspire ako ng Arizona Me to pursue my career in music.
So may ilalabas ka pa ba, having said that, na single or perhaps album or EP?
Naglabas na ako ng second single ko, which is Isaw, yung title. And right now, I'm in the process of creating another one.
That's good!
Hopefully malabas ko this year, pero ayoko rin bigyan ng deadline yung sarili ko kasi gusto kong i-enjoy and gusto kong gusto ko namin yung process of creating music.
Correct.